Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by adjusting the seat and knee pads so your elbows track straight down under the bar. This ensures safe shoulder mechanics. Pick a conservative warm-up weight, about 20–30% below your working set, and clip the pins securely. Grip the bar with your chosen width, wide for outer lats, shoulder width for balanced activation, and pull your chest slightly forward. Once set, inhale, brace your core, and perform 2 slow warm-up reps to groove the motion. Before increasing, you should initiate each rep by pulling your shoulder blades down and back first. That recruits the lats before the elbows drive the movement. Once the scapula is set, pull the bar to your upper chest, leading with the elbows and keeping the torso slightly tilted. This prevents shoulder strain. Pause briefly at the bottom to maximize contraction, then control the bar back up on a 2–3 second eccentric. Make sure to breathe, exhale while pulling, and avoid jerky momentum. You finish each set by returning the bar under control and resetting your scapula before the next rep. This preserves technique throughout the workout. Log your weight, reps, and grips so you can progress methodically. Add 2–5 lb or extra reps every 1–2 weeks depending on recovery. If you feel sharp shoulder pain or excessive shrugging, stop immediately, reduce load, recheck seat and grip, and try a neutral grip attachment or lighter weight. If pain persists, consult staff or a clinician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.